Your song of comfort, soft and kind, reminds me I am yours, you're mine. The shepherd's voice is leading me through every storm, through every sea. I will not fear, I will not stray, forever safe within your grace. The shepherd's voice is leading me through every storm, through every sea. I will not fear, I will not stray, forever safe within your grace. The shepherd's voice is leading me through every storm, through every sea. I will not fear, I will not stray, forever safe within your grace.
You bring me down where waters flow, peace like a river, soft and slow. You calm my soul, you ease my mind, a place of rest in you I find.
When waves surround and doubts arise, your voice still echoes through the skies. The chaos fades, my fears subside. You are my peace, my faithful guide.
Through silent prayers and gentle grace, your still small voice fills every space. By still waters I will stay, your perfect peace will guard my way. No storm can steal, no night can break the rest I know in your way. When all is quiet, I hear you near, your whisper stronger than my fear. You hold me close, I breathe again. In you begins where striving ends. You mend my heart, you slow the rain. You teach my soul to trust again. Each breath a song of calm release, each tear transformed into your peace. By still waters I will stay, your love forever lights my way. No storm can steal, no night can break the peace I find for mercy's sake. grace. You prepare my resting place. Every need your hands provide. I am safe here by your side.
Morning sunlight warms my face. Your promises my heart embrace. Each step I take, you go before. Your love provides forevermore. In every breath I find you near. Your kindness drives away all fear. In green pastures I will lie. Your goodness shining from on high. Every season, every day, your faithful love will make a way.
When the path grows rough or long, your joy becomes my steady song.
Through hills and valleys, still I see your hand of grace sustaining me. You fill my cup, it overflows. Your endless mercy ever flows. No lack, no loss can steal my peace. In you my heart finds sweet release. In green pastures I will lie. Your grace forever lifts my eyes. Through every storm, through every day, your faithful love will make a way.
When my spirit fades away, when my heart forgets to pray, you restore, you breathe again. You remind me who I am.
When the shadows fill my days and my strength begins to fade, you reach out through the pain and night and speak my name and bring me light.
You lift the dust,
You calm the storm. You clothe my heart in grace reborn.
my soul restored, my hope renewed. I'm alive because of you. Through the ashes, light breaks through. Forever, Lord, my soul's made new.
You
Every step is marked by grace, every road your holy way. In the shadows, in the light, you are faithful, you are right.
When the path seems steep and long, your steady hand keeps me strong. Through the doubt and through the pain, your truth remains, your love sustains.
Even when I cannot see, you're the road beneath my feet. You lead me on in righteous paths, your mercy guides me as I stand, not by my strength, but by your hand, forever walking in your plan. Your word a lamp that lights my way, through valleys deep, through bright new days. Each moment shaped by grace divine, your purpose writes this heart of mine. When I stumble, you lift me high.
When I wander, you draw me nigh.
You never fail, you never tire, your justice burns a holy fire. You lead me on in righteous paths, your mercy guides me as I stand, not by my strength, but by your hand, forever walking in your plan.
When I cannot see, you're the road beneath my feet.
You lead me on in righteous paths, your mercy guides me as I stand, not by my strength, but by your hand, forever walking in your plan.
Even when I cannot see, you're the road beneath my feet.
You lead me on in righteous path, your mercy guides me as I stand, not by my strength, but by your hand, forever walking in your plan. Darkness falls, but I won't fear. Your rod and staff are always near. Through the valley I will go, yet your light will always show.
Shadows whisper, doubt takes hold, yet I will trust what I've been told. For you are near, my soul's defense. Your mercy is my confidence.
Though silence haunts the midnight air, I feel your hand, I know
gently call my name. No fear can steal what you restore.
Your love is life forevermore. Though tears may come, they will not stay. Your dawn will chase the dark away. Your voice will calm the storm inside. My heart in you will still abide. In the valley of shadows, I'll sing. You are my strength, my everything. No fear remains, no night too tall. Your light and love surround it all.